Okay, well, I got the drill purpose rifle, but I need to strip it down. You see here, this is where the chamber is. There's a hole drilled through it with a pin, so you can't put a bullet in it, and it's just demilled. It's a drill purpose. So what I need to do, I'll show you the whole thing. It's the end of it. The front stock's pretty nice. It's got a pretty nice sight on it. But I need to take everything off, and there's the back, and put everything in this bucket, because I'm going to be using all the parts for my 22 training rifle. Only difference is this one's got a 22 barrel on it, which is a factory. A factory put that barrel on there. So it's a different bolt head and a different extractor, but everything else will be the same. This is a 1914 BSA receiver. It's pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching. A little bit more work to do.